What if storms aren't an inconvenience? What if they're nourishment? It's been raining here in the desert, and whenever this happens, it sort of takes people here by surprise because it always feels like it comes out of nowhere and it doesn't happen too often. So it can definitely feel like an inconvenience, especially if you have plans on the day of the rain. Some people get thrown into moods because of the clouds, because of the way the sky looks. And it can also throw off our energies. You know, you just want to lay around and not do anything on a cloudy, rainy day. And for some people, this can cause some discomfort. It's so similar to transformation, the way that I was thinking about it. You know, we forget that discomfort can mean things are transforming. Because storms show up for a reason. Rain comes for a reason. And even though it might be inconvenient, we forget that rain makes things grow. So when it rains in the desert, it means something, for sure. And it still throws people off here. People don't know how to drive here in the rain, and it kind of feels like an event. So if a storm comes your way, maybe you should treat it like an event too. Maybe you should look at it like something needs to grow, something needs to be nourished. Because rain always brings change. And if you're going through a storm, just know that it's not going to last forever. Yeah, rain comes when things need to change, when things need to grow. But it always leaves. These clouds, the way things look, the sky, it never lasts forever. So maybe it's not an inconvenience. Maybe it's nourishment. Maybe it's what we need. It always rains for a reason.